This problem comes to us from the New York State testing sampler number 4. It's question number 8, linear equations and slope. So here we have a word problem. It's a real world problem, but we do need to notice it is linear. We do need to notice, even before I read this, I'm going to highlight that the number of hours is my x and that the total cost is my y. And I'm just going to point out that this is the car repair cost. So I'll read this. A car repair shop charges an hourly rate plus a pickup and delivery fee. The graph represents the relationship between the total cost, including that delivery fee, when the number of hours it takes the shop to complete the repairs. So what equation represents the linear function? Now I'm going to encourage you not to get stuck up in the words here and just notice this is a linear function. So this is y equals mx plus b. So they're simply asking you, find that y-intercept. And I know you can read that right off the graph and say we have a y-intercept of 75. So that'd be plus 75. They're simply asking you what is the slope. So you find that next spot where it crosses perfectly, or any spots where it crosses perfectly, and you can check and see the change. So you can say, well, from 125 to 175, I go up by 50. And at the same time, I go over 1. You should notice that from 75 to 125, you go up by 50 and you go over 1. Every single time, in fact, you're going up 2 squares, which because they're counting by 25s is going up by 50, and you go over 1 square and they're counting by 1s. So your slope is 50x plus 75. So what we would notice now is it just says which equation represents this linear function. It doesn't even ask you anything to determine. You could get asked so much more. You could be asking, well, what does that 50 mean? So what does that 50 mean? That 50 over 1 is your slope. That would mean your number of hours, and this is your cost. So it's $50 per 1 hour. So for every hour, they're making $50. Why does it start up at 75 instead of at 0? That would be your delivery fee. They're going to charge you that no matter what, and then they'll start to bill you your $50 an hour.